Hello, this is Mark from Mark's I Am Reviews here. I'm doing a quick review video of a product that was just introduced by Mark Hess. Maybe some of you guys know him over on Warrior Plus. But this is his new one bundle that he just introduced. It's actually two pieces of software that he created. The first one is called the One, which is a four-step process, prompt process that allows you to create a product, a business in real quick. And what I'll do is I'll show you this. Basically, it's pretty simple. All you do is again what I've done already here is added in affiliate marketing. Uh, it generates a prompt. You take that prompt, you put it into Chat GBT or whatever other AI uh, prompt, product you want to put it in. There's a list above, and then that prompt will give you several different other tags or suggestions, I guess, for lack of better words. And then you put that in here, and you just go down the process, generate prompt one after another, and then what it does eventually at the bottom here, it'll spit out the product and give you a platform, which you can use to either sell the product, or there's PDFs, or there's several other different platforms that you can promote that simple product on, or what Mark calls a business. Anyhow, everything that you see here is right here. Mark does a great job of explaining everything in his videos, in all his products. And in actuality, that's why I like them. I use them. As you can see, I have this product myself. The next one is zero proof selling. This is great for guys like me that need as much help as possible in my create or ship process here. And basically, you just put in your offer or affiliate offer, or whatever you're trying to do, keyword, weight loss, et cetera, and then it generates the prompts that are within these different categories. Proof generator, borrowed. These are just suggestions that once you get the prompt, you copy it and you put it into Chat GBT, and it gives you all this information, these different hooks, and again, creative ideas for that particular item or product that you put in up top there. I'm sorry for scrolling up and down, back and forth like this, but that's just the way I am. So anyhow, these are the two products. You can find the affiliate link in my description below. If you don't mind, please, like this video. Any comments? If you want to join the channel, that's great. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to create as many of these reviews as possible, only on products that I use, that I know are worth it, in reference to making money online, or for your business, whatever the case may be. Again, these are products that I use. I don't promote every product that comes out because two-thirds of them are crap. But I do know that the products from Mark are good products, great products, has great customer support, and they're reasonably priced as opposed to a lot of the other ones that come out on the market there. Okay? Anyhow, I hope you enjoy the style. I'm sorry it's a little rough, but that's just the way I am. And check it out.